Hi guys, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. It's Meg, and today we're going to do a Hawaiian Tropic themed nail. It's going to start with a French tip, so we're going to just pop on our base here. Obviously you wouldn't really need to do this on a client, you just want to put the nude colour down first. I have mixed together base coat and Biscuit Crumbs, which is like, oh my god, it's just so it's like, I don't know, the warmest nude ever. It's so pretty, and I just wanted to make it more transparent so it looks like more of a realistic French. So I've done that, mixed half and half, and then I'm putting 2 coats of this on. And when you're applying this on your client, you just want to make sure that you are using your full brush. You don't need to use any fine liner brushes, just cover the whole nail bed in this shade. Once you've done that, cure it, and then you're going to take Mimosa and Sherbet Lemon. These 2 colours are exactly what you need for this look. They are gorgeous, and all I'm going to do is just pop a couple of dots of the yellow down first, like so, and then go in with your opposite shade. You can obviously do this with any colour, but I just found that this one looked really Hawaiian-y vibes. So that's how it looks. And then you want to take like a tapered brush. It looks like this, where it's a little bit tapered on the edge. And you're just going to use really light, gentle brush strokes. Less is more with this, because if you do too many, you will lose that like sort of wood effect, that beachy wood effect. You can see already it's starting to look really cute, and you can obviously add a little bit of extra colour here and there to make it your desired shade. But yeah, this is how it's going to look so far. So in a second, you're going to see me just add a little bit more yellow, and you'll see the difference that it makes. There we go, because I just want that brush strokey effect. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and take Dragon Fruit. This is my all-time favourite pinky coral colour. It's absolutely stunning. And we are going to begin the shape of a sort of like a Hawaiian flower of some sort, hibiscus, I don't know. A little Hawaiian flower. Also guys, I've just literally noticed the state of my glove and my brush. Please excuse me. I am literally the busiest person ever, and when I'm doing nails, I'm like back to back, back to back, back to back, or if I bust out a couple of designs, I just go, because that's me. My ADHD brain is just like run with it, and I don't stop to think. So I do apologise about my glittery glove and my messed up brush, but there we are. On a better note, I can actually offer you now a 10% discount when you purchase your next order. All you need to do is go down to the description box and click on the link to the website and pick whatever colours or products that you'd like. And when you go to checkout, make sure to type in Styled by Meb 10, and this is going to give you a 10% discount on your next order. So now I'm just going to do another 2 small flowers in different styles. This one is kind of like a SpongeBob style flower, and then the one above is going to be like a daisy flower. SpongeBob's not the vibe we're going for, but we're here and we're doing it. Also, I forgot to touch on the fact that I have just created 2 little leaves coming off of this tropical flower, as you can see, and then I have filled the flower in rather than leaving it empty, and then we're going to add some highlight and some shadow as well in a second. Now going in with Sour Cherry. This is 100% one of my favourite deep plum shades. I just recently received this and I can't wait to use it in the autumn season. I've just outlined the main flower here and add in some small dots to the smaller flowers. After you've done that, you want to go in with Dragon Fruit and Sherbet Lemon and just create some small flicky lines off of each corner of the nail. You can layer this as well, and then inside the main flower I have also added some light lines with Sherbet Lemon, and then I'm finally just going to outline the French tip using the Sour Plum shade, and I think this really sets the look off. Also, can we take a second for the nude base? It's looking really cute. That is Biscuit Crumbs and base coat, if you're wondering. We just mix the 2 together, makes a really nice nude base for French tips. Now you want to go in with matte top coat. This is a brilliant matte top coat. I have used a few in the past and this is probably my favourite. It comes out really smooth and it's got a little bit of texture to it as well, but it always covers matte. You can put it on anything and you're guaranteed within 2 seconds of it being in the lamp it's like this, which is amazing. And then you're going to take Snow White and just add some extra fine line details in the centre of the flowers and around the sides and the lines. I was also really envisioning this being a whole set. I could really imagine it on myself because I always go with something like this. I like these colours and also I really like the tropical vibes. So I feel like this would be a really cute full set. What do you reckon? Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comment box and drop us a like. We are almost done with this nail now. I'm just going to finish doing these last little highlights and then I'm going to go back in with the matte top coat just to make sure that that's all sealed. And I also feel like the turquoise, greens and blues would really look cute as well with this set. So I might redo it and do a slightly different effect and use also some cooler tones. Anyway, that's it from me and I am finished with this look now. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment box. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.